Tesla stock is dangerously close to its most important inflection point. If Tesla is about to react, now would be the best time to do so, because if we lose this critical support level right here, technicals suggest that we'll see a much more drastic correction ahead. So in this video, we will analyze Tesla. We're gonna take a look at the market in general and look at some indicators as well. But first, if you are new around here, welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, so let's start our analysis looking at Tesla's daily chart. Here on the daily chart, we see that Tesla is still bearish. After earnings, Tesla crashed. We lost the 21 EMA, the exponential moving average over here. And since then, we can't trade consistently above this 21 EMA. And it feels like we are just heading towards our next support level at $240. This black line down here, which is Tesla's most important inflection point. Only if Tesla actually loses this support level, I see Tesla triggering a much sharper correction on bigger time frames like the weekly chart. Right now, we are still above this support level. So if you ask me, there's still hope for a reaction. And honestly, Tesla is trying to react right here, right now. We don't see any amazing bullish confirmation yet. Tesla, guys, some people, of course, it is a minority, of course. But still, when I say that, guys, Tesla is above a support level, a very important support level. Is it trying to react? Yes, it is trying to react. Do we see a bottom signal confirmed? No, there is no bullish structure confirmed on Tesla stock yet. Could Tesla confirm a bullish structure? Yes, of course it could. In that case, I believe Tesla is going to trigger another rally. And this is it. Oh, and by the way, it is going to also frustrate the bearish sentiment over here. But apparently, some people, they understand completely different sentences over here. When I say this, they understand, guys, Tesla right now is about to explode. It is the last chance for you to buy Tesla. If you don't buy Tesla right now, if you think otherwise, you are just an imbecile. You are a complete idiot. You deserve to lose money and you deserve to die. I wish you are going to drop dead if you don't buy Tesla right now. This is what they understand. This is why some people, it feels like they feel completely offended by the fact that Tesla is trying to react above a support level. Again, it is not actually reacting, but if it does, I believe it is going to trigger a sharper, it is going to trigger a rally, short-term speaking at least. Mid-term speaking, it is going to be a little bit more difficult for Tesla to reverse the bearish sentiment, but it could trigger a short-term rally if we confirm a bottom signal around this area. Because as far as I know, any bottom signal over here could easily take Tesla to higher levels. We still have an open gap over here around $289. So we could trigger a rally over here. If Tesla actually finds a bottom level in this area, and if it breaks the $300 again, it is gonna trigger another bullish pivot point on the weekly chart. And that's one of the best bullish reversal, in that case, would be the best bullish continuation pattern ever, indicating that yes, we are going to retest the all-time high in the next few months. But right now, on the daily chart, there is no bottom signal confirmed yet. Period. If it does, great. If it doesn't, okay. If we lose the $240, I see Tesla correcting to the $217 again. Alright? Now, guys, it is very important for us to see what the broad market is doing, because look at this reaction on SPY. SPY is leaving huge shadows under under the previous candlesticks bodies over here. We see that yesterday we did a spinning bottom candlestick pattern. Today we are trying to make a hammer candlestick pattern. Look at the size of this shadow under the candlestick's body over here. It is looking very good. This is why I'm telling you guys, there is a chance that Tesla is going to react above the $240. There is. It is a real possibility. And as a professional trader, I gotta work with possibilities. I gotta work with statistics. So bear in mind, this reaction on SPY could be the beginning of something else on Tesla, Nvidia, Apple, Amazon, Google, etc. It could reverse the bearish sentiment on many of these stocks. Now, this reaction is very good. Again, there is no clear bottom signal confirmed, but I do agree that it is a quite promising signal. I wish we could drop to lower levels, maybe to fill this gap over here, right? Around $443. But hey, I'm not gonna complain if we see a crystal clear bottom signal in this area. Now, QQQ. QQQ is particularly interesting because we lost the previous support level, $372 over here. However, we filled a gap. This gap is now officially closed. We filled this gap and we are trying to react as well. This is the second hammer QQQ is doing in 2 days, right? It did a hammer pattern yesterday. It is trying to make another hammer pattern today. So yes, QQQ is reacting just after filling a gap. So see why this situation is so complicated right now, because if by any means SPY, QQQ, Tesla loses their support levels, they're all gonna frustrate potential bullish reactions. And this is gonna be extremely frustrating for the bulls, because if we actually lose this support level, we're gonna reinforce the idea that QQQ triggered a bearish pivot point on the daily chart, and we are gonna seek lower levels. So only by making a very good reaction above this area, we're gonna see this bearish scenario being completely rejected on the weekly chart. If you ask me, on the weekly chart, we could easily correct to lower levels, okay? I mean, last week we did a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, and it feels like this chart is too stretched, right? We could easily correct to one of the Fibonacci's retracements over here, which by the way are white, so you guys are not seeing anything right here. Let me, where do I change the color? Here. So we could easily correct all the way down to the 38.2% retracement, which is the first retracement, and dropping nearly 6% without actually ruining the bullish bias on the weekly chart. Now, if you want to see something even more interesting, SPY has yet to retest the 50-period moving average. If it does, it is going to be the first time since March this year. So, okay, almost 5 months without retesting the 50-period moving average. That's something, right? So we deserve to see a correction. The QQQ, or Nasdaq Index ETF, already hit it's 21 EMA, I'm so sorry, it's 50-period moving average over here. So see, we filled a gap, we are above the 50-period moving average, so this is why I'm telling you guys, now is the best time for Tesla to react, because if tech stocks react above this dual support level, that would be just amazing. Many other stocks would frustrate bearish structures. Nvidia hit its 50-period moving average. We see that Berkshire Hathaway, it is way above the 50-period. Of course, it could correct a little bit more, but still, Google is still above the 50-period moving average. Now, Microsoft and Apple lost their moving averages, just like Tesla. But we are still above critical support levels. Therefore, we should pay attention. Really pay attention to any possible bottom signal over here. And this is why you should subscribe to this channel, because I'm here every single day to keep you guys updated on Tesla and other stocks as well. So come on, subscribe to this channel. And bear in mind that while Tesla is kind of dying in this area over here, we are making money trading it together on our Telegram channel. So if you are not a member of our Telegram channel, just join our community. You are more than welcome to the Finance Hydra channel family. The link to my Telegram is in the description of this video. Now, I really appreciate your audience, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye bye.